Are you looking for the best ways to make money online? This video is for you. If you've been searching for answers, you've probably seen videos promising $1,000 weeks in just 5 minutes per day, but that's just not realistic. But can you actually make passive income with affiliate marketing? Absolutely, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and like and subscribe because I share weekly tutorials to help you grow without overwhelm. And today I'm talking about how to make passive income with affiliate marketing using one platform most people are sleeping on, the third largest search engine in the world. People use it every day to find inspiration, ideas, and products. And with the right strategy, affiliate marketers are making a serious income here. In this video, I'm sharing what you need to know about passive income in affiliate marketing, including how much time it really takes, the best platforms and methods for getting your affiliate links in front of people, and finally, the tool we use to automate the entire process so you can keep earning without spending hours every day. Sound good? Let's get into it. What you need to know about passive income with affiliate marketing. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're on the same page about what these words actually mean. Passive income does not mean no work. It means you put the work in up front, like creating content or setting up systems, so that later, that same content keeps working for you. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when people buy through your link. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. You just connect the right product to the right audience. What we're really talking about is creating content that puts those links in front of the right people over and over. You set up the strategy once, and over time, people keep discovering your content, clicking your links, and making purchases that generate commissions for you. You don't need to be cranking out hundreds of pieces of content every week, but you do need a strategy that allows you to show up regularly in front of the right audience. And that's where platforms like Pinterest shine. A single well-optimized pin can drive clicks for months or even years. So if you're serious about creating passive income with affiliate marketing, you'll need two things. Number one, a willingness to put in the effort up front. And number two, a system to make sure your content gets discovered. And that's exactly what I'll walk you through in the next sections. So what are the best platforms for affiliate marketing links? Contrary to popular belief, going viral doesn't always mean making money. For example, you could rack up millions of views on Instagram, but since you can't easily add links to those posts, those views don't often translate to clicks or sales. Instead, the best way to grow with affiliate marketing is to use platforms that allow for evergreen, linkable content. Think Pinterest, blogs, even YouTube. For most beginners, the easiest and most scalable combination is Pinterest and a simple blog. Pinterest puts your content in front of millions of people searching for ideas every day, while a blog gives you a natural home for your affiliate links. Think product roundups, gift guides, tutorials, wherever your links fit naturally. And once those are live, Pinterest can keep sending people back to those pages for months or years, giving your links more chances to get clicks and make sales. And if you're wondering how to get started with a blog, I cover that step-by-step in my affiliate marketing for beginners video. I explain why you only need a handful of posts, maybe 5 or 10 at most, to get started, and how pairing them with Pinterest can massively expand your reach. I'll put that link in the description below. So now that you've got that figured out, how do we automate the process? Whether you've got a blog and a Pinterest account, or simply affiliate links that you're posting on Pinterest, the only way to make this feel truly passive is to automate it. That's why we recommend a tool like Pin Generator. It connects directly to your site, blog, or affiliate links and automatically pulls everything you need. Titles, descriptions, photos, metadata, links, all of it. It pulls them into ready to publish pins. From there, you can customize the designs, swap in new images, or tweak the text to fit your style. Once you've got a few templates you like, you can schedule pins to go out automatically so your content keeps getting in front of new people without you having to do the work every day. And if you want to take this one step further, Pin Generator has a feature called Create Auto Pin. It uses AI to generate fresh titles, fresh descriptions, and even new images. Then you can set the schedule and it will create these pins for you and post them in the future. That means your affiliate content can keep circulating on Pinterest and driving clicks far after you set it up. We've done a whole walkthrough on this AI feature, so I'll link that in the description below if you want to dig deeper. But for now, just know that automation is the piece that takes affiliate marketing from extra work to a sustainable way of earning passive income. Got questions about passive income and affiliate marketing? Drop them in the comments below and I'll point you in the right direction. And if you want more tutorials on Pinterest marketing and how to make money online, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Max and I share weekly videos to help you get your products and content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.